Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Katha. I am Teacher Camille, and I will be with you this afternoon for our storytelling time that will be filled with new learning and lessons. Before I introduce the best and the most energetic storyteller, I would like to greet all of you. Hello! Hello to all who are watching our live show today. How are you? Are you excited? If you are excited, kindly hit the like icon or comment down below. The title of our story today is Bear Snores On, which was written by Karma Wilson. Karma Wilson grew up in North Idaho with her mom. When she was a kid, there was no cable TV. And even if there were only 3 channels. So, what Karma did was to read and read and read and read. And of course, she play outdoors as well. Okay, you know kids, all right? And now, did you know Karma is already a New York Times best-selling children's author and is renowned for her ability to inspire young readers, not only with her picture books, but also teaching them the basics of writing and rhyme. And of course, to make sure that the illustrations will be as amazing as our storyteller and as our writer, Christopher Manalo Kires, an 18-year-old student from Santa Ana, Bulacan, gives life to the pictures of this story. He is driven to become an educator, to share his knowledge and hone young people's skills. And during his free time, he fancies good naps as he believes this is an integral part or an integral ingredient actually in one's creative prowess. He also participated in many art contests, okay? He got the 32nd place in National Virtual Poster Making Contest in the 124th anniversary of the martyrdom of Dr. Jose Rizal. He got 7th place in the National Virtual Poster Making Contest in the 157th birth anniversary of Andres Bonifacio, hosted by the Department of Education. And he got the 2nd place in Pinas Forward Bahay Ani Poster Making Contest. So awesome. You're so awesome, Christopher. And of course, okay, wait. Music will always be part of our story. And once again, Miss Fides Balagtas Belda originally composed the music that we will be using today. So now, are you ready for the story? Okay, I guess so you are. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as the story Bear Snores On will be told by none other than Lolo Junno. So Lolo Junno, come out, wherever you are.
In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoes, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Whisk! Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. The badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air, and says, "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble, and they munch, with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear he blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear stomps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. He whimpers and he moans. Oh. He wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, bear sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. So, end of story. I hope you like that. Those are wonderful friends. See, they all took shelter from the winter in the bear's lair. But so the bear, but to pay him back for allowing them to do this, they cooked all kinds of things, and they all even made tea. They brewed tea, and so they all had fun. And that's why all his friends fell asleep in the end, was because they must have had a little too much to eat and drink. So that's a good story. See you next time. Bye-bye.
You are always awesome, Lolo Junno. We would like to hear another story next month. So kids, please make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel for more stories, of course. We'll see you all again next month, okay, on the last week of May 2022 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you so much and see you all again. Bye!